Breaking news coming in. BJP Captain Akali faction announced Punjab Alliance Pact announced after Shah Captain Dhinsa meeting. Committee of 2 representatives each will sit to finalise common minimum programme and joint manifesto. That's the latest coming in at the moment. Anisha is joining us live. Anisha, what was discussed in the meeting?
Well, what we've been informed that there was just a press conference held by Gajendra Shekhawat, Captain Amrinder Singh and Sukhbir Singh Dhinsa, all present in front of our cameras. And what they have said is that we've had a detailed meeting between the BJP president, the Akali faction president and Captain Amrinder Singh, who has launched his own Lok Congress party. Now, these 3 parties will be contesting the Punjab elections together. They have formally announced their alliance. So far, this was something that was being hinted at in the political corridors, but now the formal announcement of the alliance has been made for the Punjab elections. 2 members of each party, 2 leaders from all 3 parties will be meeting in 2 days. That is 6 people, a 6-member committee will be meeting to finalize the seat sharing and the joint manifesto. But what they have said today is that seat sharing has been discussed even among these leaders today. They have also considered what are the main issues that they will be looking at. They've in fact announced that they want to bring Punjab back to its former glory, to its former happiness, and they will be looking at various issues involving which are important to Punjab, about the farmers, about the Sikhs, about OBCs, several issues that have come up. All of these will be considered by that committee, which will sit in 2 days to finalize this common manifesto. And this common manifesto will be announced soon after the meeting. But at the moment, what we do know is that seat sharing, the number of seats each party will be contesting, and the joint program will be finalized very, very soon. Back to you.
All right, we're getting some more breaking news coming in. We'll have to cut straight across to it. Breaking news just coming in. Aam Aadmi Party's stunning debut in Chandigarh civic polls. AAP wins 9 seats, leading in 2. AAP candidate defeats Chandigarh Mayor, Congressman's 5, leading in 4 at the moment. Aam Aadmi Party says grand welcome by Chandigarh voters.
ये दिख रहे हैं उसमें आम आदमी पार्टी पहली बार इस तरह से वहाँ चुनाव लड़ रही है और बहुत शानदार वेलकम चंडीगढ़ के लोगों ने आम आदमी पार्टी का किया है। तो मैं चंडीगढ़ के एक धन्यवाद का धन्यवाद करना चाहता हूँ और उन कार्यकर्ताओं का जिन्होंने दिन रात मेहनत करके ये सफलता हासिल की है, उनको बधाई देना।
चुनाव से पहले इसे अपने लिए बड़ी एक तरह से सफलता मान रहे हैं, आधार तैयार होगा आम आदमी पार्टी।
विधानसभा चुनाव में तो पंजाब के लोगों का मन वैसे ही बना हुआ है कि अब एक बार मौका केजरीवाल जी को देना है।